The black vault still remembers what the Earl did in the dark. Carrick Coast keeps all its secrets, carved in stone and cold as spark. Mary walked these very ramparts, 1563 in gold. Kennedy ruled all of Carrick with an iron fist and soul. Crossraguel's lands were worth the burning, Allan Stewart paid the price. Roasted in the vault below us, power always has its vice. The black vault still remembers what the Earl did in the dark. Carrick Coast keeps all its secrets, carved in stone and cold as spark. 700 years of weather, still it stands above the sea. Hail Sir Craig on the horizon, Dunure watches wild and free. The beehive Ducat still is standing, where the doves once came to rest, on this rocky Carrick coastline. Scotland's history at its best.